Hi community, I'm gonna show you how to use the new plugin document status validation. The goal of this plugin is to add an extra layer of control over the document status changes. It lets you catch potential errors and mistakes before updating the document status instead of having to fix them afterward. So how do we do this? There's a new window called document status validation. I have a predefined record here. This basically tells the system that when a sales order has a grand total greater than 1,000 and is not approved, it will display this error message to the user, explaining what he needs to do and what is happening. This validation will happen always before completion. As you can see here, you can use HTML code for formatting. Let's create another condition. Let's say, for example, that your business never sells in the future. So if there's an order with a date ordered in the future, it's a data mistake and should be fixed before completing. So let's change the name, date ordered in the future, the sequence. Let's give a meaningful message, and in the SQL where you can use either SQL code like here or context variables. So let's use context variables. So if the date ordered is greater than the login date, raise the error. Every time you create a new one, if you have run a document status before, you need to cache reserved. So let's go to a sales order that breaks both rules. It has a grand total greater than 1,000 and a date in the future. So when I try to complete it, you will see both error messages here. So the user knows what he needs to do. So for example, if I change for today's date, I should no longer see that part of the error, but I still need the authorization from the administrator. So let's go and approve that document. Once you complete it, everything works perfectly. So I hope you guys find this plugin useful. Any feedback or bugs, you can report them in the iDempiere forums or in the GitHub repository. So bye.